Ever been in a meeting where someone has drawn a concept on a whiteboard and you want to grab a picture for later? Or maybe you want to save a picture of a meal receipt. Office Lens has been a great way to capture notes and info from whiteboards, menus, signs, handwritten memos, or anything with a lot of text. Now imagine the text you want to capture needs to be converted into data in Excel. You won't have to retype that data anymore if you're an Office Insider for Excel on Android. Simply use the Insert Data from Picture feature. Just open Excel on your Android phone or tablet and tap the Insert Data from Picture button. Next, narrow in on the data until you see it surrounded by a red border. Then click the Capture button. If necessary, you can use the resizing handles around the edge of the image to crop it. Excel will process the image, insert it into a table, and give you a chance to correct any issues it discovered during the conversion process. Tap Edit to correct the issue, or tap Ignore to move on. Press Insert when you're done, and Excel will finish the process and display your data. And of course, saving it to OneDrive makes this new table available across all your devices.